Hi, I'm Meg Caswell, and this is Welcome Home Angel. And I'm so excited because the Design Network has teamed up with Welcome Home Angel to transform spaces for children with special needs. Welcome Home Angel's designers have been hard at work completing and transforming each space to suit the child's special needs. We believe every child with special needs should have a welcoming home. Brian, I want to give you a download on this family before we get in there.
Okay.
There is a lot going on here. We have a single mom, and she has 3 special children.
Oh, wow.
So today, our angel is actually all 3. They all have autism, high functioning, ADHD, and then we have Samuel, who has a chromosome deletion.
Oh my goodness.
Samuel is losing his vision, and he's going into renal failure. I need you to help me with the construction side of this.
Okay, sounds awesome.
Yeah, you ready for
Yeah,
this?
let's go take a look.
Okay, let's go. Hi. Welcome Home Angel's here.
Hey, great to see you guys.
Hello.
Come on inside.
Okay. In this Welcome Home Angel project, I'm teaming up with contractor Brian Bass of Bass Construction. I'm doing the design work, he's doing the construction, and we're gonna help out this special family.
I live in Leland, North Carolina, and I have 3 children, all with special needs and special immobilities. Samuel is NPHP1 deletion and kidney failure. He is also autistic, legally blind, and has other chromosome disorders. Tristan is my oldest. He has autism and ADHD as well. My youngest daughter, she is also autistic, high functioning, and has a sensory disorder. As a single mom, obviously having to work constantly, having to provide medical needs and necessities for them. Expenses get overwhelming, houses become in disarray, obviously from everything else that the children have to have. My time is spread very thin with working 24-hour shifts. I'm also a firefighter and a paramedic, so I also take care of everybody else in the county as well as my 3 children. I'm super excited that Welcome Home Angel is coming in to help us, so Samuel actually has a safe environment and easy, accessible environment to come home to.
I can't imagine how hard it must be to not only be a firefighter, but raising these 3 kids on her own, all of them somewhere on the autism spectrum level, and having a child, Samuel, who needs a kidney transplant.
My favorite thing to do is learn about science. My animals make me very happy.
So what we have here is a barn door with a 4-foot opening, so you have plenty of room to wheel the wheelchair in with a nice 5-foot turning radius.
So Violet likes color, right?
She does, very much so.
What do you think about that?
She would absolutely love that.
Would she?
She loves color, bright, glittery, sparkly rainbows.
Perfect. Well, I definitely know color, and he knows glitter.
We can do glitter. She would absolutely love glitter.
And then for the boys, we were thinking a little more masculine, but still colorful.
They would like that.
Would they?
They would.
Thank you for your service taking care of everyone else as a firefighter and a single mom. It's just really amazing. So we feel so blessed to have the opportunity to do this for you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, we have a big project ahead of us.
Yes, we do. That bathroom's going to be challenging, but we're going to have to make that thing ADA compliant.
I want to give those kids all new bedrooms. They both have sensory issues.
And we definitely got to think about his future mobility needs.
Yeah, because even though he's able to walk now, we have to think about where he's going in this process.
Absolutely.
All right.
All right.
Ready for this?
Let's do it.
All right. I'll get me home.
Today I was invited by Welcome Home Angel to come and help with this family of 3 in-needs children to remodel their bathroom and bedrooms. And I'm gonna bring my crew in and we're gonna demo. There's some rotten wood that needs to be taken out and replaced. Actually drop the shower 4 inches so that we have be able to put a nice mud bed in there and roll it into a smooth transition. A lot of the kids that we help are in wheelchairs or have chronic disease and some of them even terminal disease. And it's just really a wonderful thing to see the smile on their faces. Not to mention we can help parents. A lot of these parents are really the unsung heroes of this whole deal.
So I wasn't that difficult to work with, was I?
Up until the point where you made me go get all the glass tile that Lowe's had in Wilmington. Yeah,
Just because a designer changes her mind doesn't mean that it's not like worth it.
Well, I thought the 2 stripes were good, but when it turned from 2 glass tile stripes to 8 glass tile stripes, and I had to immediately get this done and call my entire crew, and they ran all over New Hanover and Brunswick County to get the glass tile. It made it a little bit difficult.
Other than just working with me as a designer, it was a pretty good project.
No, working with you was great. We enjoyed it. Thank you so much. And the bathroom turned out absolutely beautiful.
It really did. And we cannot wait to get in there and show Satin and her 3 kids what we came together to create with the bedrooms, the bathroom, and we have a little extra special surprise for Satin. I met my friend DJ several months ago. He's an autistic artist who travels around the country speaking about autism and acceptance.
The Imagine Friends are actually based on the many challenges that I faced growing up with autism. In Imagineville, where they live, everybody and all with autism and special needs are welcome, loved, and accepted for who they are.
This is where your artwork is going.
Oh my, that looks very spectacular and amazing and above and beyond awesome.
And I think all the colors of your original art that you've given them are gonna go great in this bathroom. And I wanna thank you so much for giving this artwork to them. I know they're going to appreciate it.
Oh, it's my pleasure, and it's the Imagine Friends' pleasure.
I'm gonna hang these now. Do you wanna help me?
Oh, I would be more than honored to.
Great, thanks DJ. The family's gonna love your art. So Brian and I have had a really great time redoing your bathroom, and we cannot wait to show it to you guys. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
I like it.
You like it?
I do.
Is that enough color for you?
It is amazing.
So bright, huh?
I love it.
So much more space.
I love the artwork.
So when I first met Satin and I learned that she loved color as much as I do, I got really excited for this project because I knew I could go into this bathroom and throw color everywhere and take it to another level. Samuel, what do you think? Great?
You like it?
Okay, let's go see your rooms.
Wow. This is awesome.
What do you think?
I designed it to be a lot brighter, more serene, and have some fun artwork, but also leave room for them to add their own personal touches.
Wow.
I think she likes it.
I think she does. Look at the flowers.
It's a polar bear.
And that's my lamp.
So in Violet's room, I have this whole palette of pinks and turquoises, but then I softened it with the artwork, which is a little more neutral.
I'm absolutely ecstatic at how everything turned out. I absolutely love it. The artwork is beautiful. It fits so well with everything that's going on in the house. Meg did a phenomenal job on nailing everything the kids like. The rooms are beautiful. The color, just the full vision has gone from, you know, just paper to actually being able to see it. Welcome Home Angel has done an amazing job. They literally hit it just right before Samuel has a surgery. They are lifesavers. Raising 3 children with special needs, it gives you joy. Everything is completely amazing. Every day is a new day. Just the experience that how they see the world is wonderful.